Now with the AU Falcon, I had this problem. They got a bit of play there, and over the years, and I've had my car for a very long time, so over the years that got a little bit worse and worse and worse until I had like an inch play. When I got a wheel alignment one time, the bloke said he can't do a proper wheel alignment because of how much play there is in the steering wheel, but he did the best he could, and he'll do it for free if I can fix up the play. So that's when I investigated why I've got this play. Now I don't know if this has the problem yet because I haven't looked, but I'll show you what the problem was with my AU Falcon, and this could be the problem with yours. Now I don't know if this is going to be the problem with this one, but we're going to have a look, tighten up the 10mm bolt that I think it is, and hopefully fix up that play. Alright, so you can see we've got the spanner on there. And that's what the problem was with the AU. After tightening that, I had no more play in the steering wheel. There is no play there at all anymore. That's all it was, a 10mm bolt like it was in the AU Falcon. Well, I hope any of you out there that can feel a bit of play in the steering wheel, have a go at that 10mm bolt. I reckon that'll be your problem. Till next time guys, cheers.